Don't you just hate it when you try to put down a line and it comes out wrong? Then this video is for you. Hi, I am Ayal Pinkus, and in this video I am going to show you a really good exercise that will help you put down lines accurately and with intent. Never draw a wrong line again. Well, never, but you will get better at putting lines down as intended. So let's get started. I once learned that, in the old times at least, people in Asia drew characters with a brush on rice paper, and because the ink will bleed on that rice paper if you make a mark slowly, they had to put the confident lines down in one quick confident stroke. To do this, they imagined the lines on the page before making the actual mark. This warm-up exercise is about that, rehearsing lines in your mind, seeing the mark on the page in your mind before you make the actual mark. I call this rehearsing lines, but others often call it ghosting lines. You only need a sketchbook or a sheet of paper and a pen or pencil, but try to not use erasers. First, lay down a curved line you want to practice. Then rehearse the line with a pen, hovering over the line in the air. Then make the actual mark with one confident stroke, trying to stay close to the original line as possible. Now, since you were trying to make a perfect copy of the first line, you can see where you were off and how much. You can repeat this procedure for that same line a few times to see if you can make it more accurate, and then you can do the same thing for a new line. You will find that you rapidly become better at it. This is a great warm-up exercise you can do always. You don't need inspiration or a reference image for this, and it makes you better at placing lines as you intend them. You can use this when you are drawing a finished piece. Imagine seeing the line on the paper in your mind, rehearse the line with the pen in the air, and then place the line with a confident stroke.